Next week, my best friend's daughter will turn 1, and she's learning to walk. I got down to work and started designing a PVC pipe walker that suited her. The first thing I did was design the walker in 3D, and I asked my friend Jordy to help me build it out of PVC pipes. We'll start with the hardest part of the process. We will measure all the tubes and at the same time carefully cut them. Remember that safety comes first, so make sure that you protect your eyes and hands during the building stage. And once you have cut each tube, we will sand each edge of them, making sure they are all smooth. For this project, we are using 1/1/4 inches tubes and accessories. We will then use our PVC cement to glue our 12-inch long tubes to the 3-way outlet slip. Once you have done this, then glue the 7.5-inch long tubes to the 90-degree elbows. We are going to be doing a pre-assembly of the baby walker. We will start by assembling the inferior frame, and with the help of the 1 1/4 inches T, we will fix it to the assembly we did at the beginning. We'll then assemble the superior frame of this walker. With the T's, we will fix the 7.5 inches assembly we did before. We'll then fix both frames with the help of 17 inches length tubes. The importance of making this assembly before gluing everything is to make these small marks that will serve as guides to give the necessary rotation to the T's so that they coincide when we are gluing the entire project. With the help of these marks, we will glue our project starting with the inferior frame. Then we will glue the 17-inch tubes to the inferior frame T's. Next, we are going to glue the 7.5-inch assemblies to the T's. Remember that the marks we made in the pre-assembly must match perfectly. All you have to do is put glue on the 17-inch tubes and place the upper frame on these tubes, making sure they are firmly fixed. With this stage finished, our walker is now taking shape. The next step is the most fun of all. With the help of spray paint, we are going to cover the entire surface of our walker. Also, make sure to wear a mask to protect your health. After painting the walker, we are going to let it dry. We are then going to assemble the wheels of the walker. For this, we are going to use 4 mounts for 2-inch wheels, and we will place these on the 3-way elbows at the bottom of our project. Finally, we are going to place the seat that we have made specifically for this project. We have chosen a soft fabric so it doesn't hurt the baby's skin. The result is incredible. So this is how this DIY project turned out. I love it. I hope she likes it as well. Let's take it. Today is her birthday. Let's bring our best friend's daughter her present. We are almost there. Hello, hello. Hey, baby girl. This is for you. Happy birthday. As you can see, she is learning how to walk, so this PVC Walker will come in handy. She also seems to love the result. She looks so happy in her new walker. Mission accomplished. Everything went as planned.